Maximum arresting force. The maximum arresting force is the short duration peak dynamic force acting on a worker's body as the worker's fall is arrested. Essentially, it is how hard you land at the bottom of a fall. The greater the distance your body is allowed to accelerate in a fall, the greater the amount of kinetic energy you will generate. To reduce kinetic energy, use the shortest length of lanyard possible or a self-retracting device. The second component of maximum arresting force is deceleration. To dissipate energy, a longer deceleration is preferred. However, the further you fall, the greater your chance of striking a lower object. To decrease your maximum arresting force, always use an energy absorber and the fall protection equipment intended by the manufacturer. A large maximum arrest force can result in spinal injury, organ damage, organ shear, pelvic injuries, and death. Your free fall distance and deceleration are two factors that influence your maximum arresting force. The following values are important to remember. 900 pounds or 4 kilonewtons is the target arrest force as intended by CSA and ANSI. Proper use of an energy absorber will keep the forces acting on your body below this limit. 1,350 pounds or 6 kilonewtons is the maximum legal arresting force in some jurisdictions. In Canada, workers using E6 energy absorbers will be subject to this maximum force. If you are using a frozen or hot E4 energy absorber, you will experience up to 1,350 pounds or 6 kilonewtons.